Okay, so this is just some yellow fondant. It was white, and I just colored it with the gel colors by squirting it in and then kneading the color in. This is cornstarch in a nylon stocking. I'm going to dust the surface. I have already kind of kneaded this up a little bit, and then you just kind of flatten it out. And then take a rolling pin and start to roll. Okay, make sure it's not sticking. On this, we want to keep it a little thick. Okay, so now what we want to do is take this. We're going to take a brush or spatula, whichever I find first. Okay, and then we're going to take some shortening. I'm going to flip the fondant over and just put a very thin coat of shortening on the back. And that's what's going to make it stick to the pineapple. Okay, now what I do is I cover it the way I want it on the cake. So I'm going to cover it like this. That way the back part will be able to kind of fix. So we'll pop that down there, trim some of this off, and turn it around so you can see what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to kind of pop this around the back, almost just kind of wrap it like this, and then take some scissors. Here we go. Take some scissors and just kind of cut some of this off. Okay, and pick this up, bring this part around the bottom, and then this just kind of blend together. Looks like it's still a little thick there. I'll just kind of do that. Okay, remember that's going to be the back part. Okay, it's a little lumpy because of the Rice Krispies. If you wanted it totally smooth, what you could do is fill it in with white chocolate and let it set up, because that will fill in all the little nooks and crannies. Okay, then what we want to do is make diagonals going across it. So we'll start, let's see if I could do it from so you can see better. I kind of go across like this. Again, focus on the part that you're really going to see the front part, and then we don't have to worry too much about the back. You can always kind of cover that up. And we'll start going across. And then we can kind of come do this side. And kind of see how it's going to be when we put it up there. Then we can actually go back and do the underneath here a little bit. It just won't work out quite as nicely as the front. Well, I suppose it could if you take your time and do it, but it's really not that necessary, because you can cover it up. Okay. Alright, so now I just need to get my luster dust and we can color this.